Hi there. If you are someone looking for working Helium 10 coupon codes and promo codes, you have come to the right spot because this is the only video that you will ever need in order to get exclusive discount on Helium 10. So stick to the video till the end because here in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get the Helium 10 discount offer. So the very first important step of this video is to go and check the description section of this video to get the special discount link that I have shared in the description section below. Once you click on that link, you will be going to land on this page where you can see these coupon codes. So you can see you can get 50% off on your first month using this code STBC50, and you can get 10% off recurring when you use code STBC10. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can make use of these Helium 10 coupon codes in order to get the discount offer. So for that you need to obviously you have to use that special discount link in order to activate the Helium 10 discount offer. And once you copy this coupon code in the pricing section, once you copy the coupon code here, as you can see I have copied this coupon code here, and once I click on apply this, so you can see you have a 50% off on the first month. Okay, so you can see here starter plan 50% off, platinum plan 50% off, and the Helium 10 diamond plan also have 50% off. So let's say you want to get started with this most popular plan. By the way, I do recommend to get started with the platinum plan because it is Kickstarter for beginners and intermediates as well. So once you click on this buy now button, you are going to get to the next step of this Helium 10 coupon code step-by-step guide. So you can see here the coupon code is applied, and you can see exactly it is help you saving $48 in the platinum plan. Previously the platinum plan was for $97, and after applying this coupon code you are going to save $48 right away. So all you need to do, fill out the information, your name, your email address, your password that you want to set for this account, then you can click on continue to payment. On the next page you have to enter your payment details and just make the payment. So this is how you can save 50% on the very first month of Helium 10. Okay, so let me explain you how you can use of the other coupon code that says you can get 10% recurring on all Helium 10 plan. So let me just copy this coupon code here, that is STBC10. What you need to do, just copy and paste this coupon code here and click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see you are going to get 10% off on each Helium 10 plan. But the best part about this particular discount code is that you are going to get this discount forever. Let's say you want to get started with this platinum plan for now, and in the next month once you want to purchase this platinum plan, for sure you are going to get 10% off. Same goes for the third month, same goes for the fourth month. So this is the most appropriate deal that you can get on Helium 10 for now. So in order to get that, let's say you want to buy now this plan, you need to just click on here. You have to enter your information like name, email address, the password that you want to set ahead, and as you can see here you can save 10% right away on the platinum plan of Helium 10. So this is the coupon code that you can use, STBC10, that is going to help you get recurring 10% off on the monthly plan of Helium 10. So this is how you are going to exactly save extra bucks on Helium 10 and save few extra bucks. So that was the step-by-step guide in order to claim the Helium 10 coupon codes and discount offer. But one thing you need to keep in mind, that you have to use the special discount link that is in the description section below, that you can check out and click on it, and you can literally follow the steps that I have shown in this video. So this is how you are going to get the exclusive discount offer on Helium 10. And if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel, because this is the channel is all about Amazon FBA and help you scale your Amazon FBA business to the next level. Okay, and what's more, we are also coming up with the latest deal on Amazon FBA tools like we did with Helium 10. So make sure you click on that subscribe button in order to subscribe this channel. And what's more, if you able to get exclusive discount offer on Helium 10, only then just click on that like button if you like the video and if it helps you to get exclusive discount on Helium 10. So I hope you really enjoyed this Helium 10 video review. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.